Hello everyone, I am Meghal Dani from TCS Research and Innovation Labs presenting our work 3D Pose Lite, a compact 3D pose estimation using node embeddings. Before we dive in, I would like to introduce everyone to the problem addressed in our work towards 3D image registration. It is basically a pose estimation problem wherein we aim to detect 3D pose of a CAD model to align with the target image and overlay the CAD model itself with required information in an augmented reality setup for an interactive and immersive experience. Although modern AR toolkits such as Vuforia and Meteio provide support for these features, they are typically opaque in terms of underlying algorithms. Also, they are computationally heavy, which makes them unsuitable for resource-constrained environments. Major contribution of our work is the usage of graphs to represent rigid bodies for pose estimation. Our intuition is that 3D shapes capture latent semantic and compositional information. Using these 3D shapes not only promotes accurate registration but is also useful to make it category agnostic. We claim that the general shape information of an object can be captured using only few nodes instead of large number of points as in a point cloud. For graph generation, the meshes of 3D models are voxelized and converted to skeletons via thinning. As shown in the figure, the graph representations preserve the topological information of objects and visual parts. These graphs are invariant under Euclidean transformations and devoid of unwanted noise, which makes them an optimal choice for representation of 3D objects. The proposed architecture is a lightweight pose estimation approach that utilizes 3D shapes and images to extract rich features using deep neural networks, as shown in the figure. We make use of two separate feature extractors, a shape encoder and an image encoder. Instead of using raw graphs, we convert them into node embeddings using a semi-supervised algorithm, node to vec, inspired from word embeddings. We generate 2D images by extracting slices from compressed representation obtained via PCA of node embeddings. A vanilla CNN later extract feature vector of dimension 256. We utilize ResNet 18 for extracting the image features, a vector of dimension 1024, which are later fused with graph features to obtain the final feature vector. The image and shape feature encode complementary information and thus help in better pose estimation. Later, the extracted features are fused and passed to fully connected network for final estimation. For training, we make use of Pascal 3D dataset, which comprises of images, annotations, and CAD models for 12 rigid body object categories, including aeroplane, cycle, car, etc. We first evaluate our methods on scene categories, that is, the object present in the training data. We obtain an accuracy of 80.18% comparable to the state of the art. To illustrate the generality of unseen data, we show the testing performance comparison of proposed method on PIX 3D dataset. We achieve the state-of-the-art accuracy of 45.75%. To add on to the results, the memory requirements and computation time is also reduced approximately by 11 times and 3 times respectively as shown in the table in terms of inference time, number of parameters, and GPU usage in our deep learning model. Concluding our work, in this presentation, we present a compact architecture for pose estimation, 3D Pose Lite. We demonstrate the benefits of this approach in terms of computational efficiency and model parameters with no trade-off in accuracy. We show that 3D Pose Lite is promising for pose estimation on generic unseen objects without the need for retraining the network. This work opens several avenues for future research in pose estimation utilizing graphs. Please reach out in case of any further questions. Thank you.